Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi ma'am, sir, good day. My name is Michelle Talani, 29 years old, married and have one daughter, 5 years old, and I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to be able to provide for my family and for my daughter's future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes ma'am, sir, I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for almost 2 years, finished contract, early release.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, ironing, marketing, and all household chores.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, ma'am, sir. I took care of a child 7 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of a child?
I took care of a child. I assist him in his homework and accompany him in playing outside and accompany him in playing outdoor.
Aside from taking care of a child, what is your skills?
Aside from taking care of a child, I can cook Filipino food and Chinese food.
Last, what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, it is necessary to be loyal, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and flexible.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi ma'am, sir. Please choose me as your domestic helper because I'm loyal, honest, trustworthy, flexible, and a hardworking person. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.